Hi everyone, welcome to the Dawn Kitchen. Today guys, I'll be doing a quick and easy recipe, saltfish and okra. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. And to all my YouTuber follower and subscriber, a big warm welcome to you all. Thank you. So let's get started. 1 tomato, half onion, half teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon black pepper, half cup of cooking oil. You can use whatever oil you want to use. I'm using olive oil. Also, I don't have the Scotch bonnet pepper, so you can use whatever pepper you have. Chili pepper, you can use the chili pepper. You can use pickled pepper sauce on the saltfish when it finish. And the star of the show is a saltfish. So you can imagine you go to the store and you buy saltfish, and when you got home, underneath the saltfish, like this is a pack it's in. And when you remove, you're seeing a big tail like this that they cut. And then this make up the weight that you're buying. This is not nice. So, like that started. The first thing you want to do, you have to ensure you have the saltfish soaking in water from overnight to get out the salt. And we're going to rinse it under some cold water, and then you get it into a container to soak out the salt overnight. So when you soak the salt from overnight, all you have to do, when you're ready to cook, you boil it one time, pour off that water, and then you get fresh water. So with the okra, this is the okra. All you got to do, everything here on the boat already rinsed. You're just gonna take the head off and the bottom. So you take the bottom off and the head, just like this. And you're just gonna cut on them like this. And some of them I'm just gonna cut the head off just like this, and I'll be placing it in the water. So now we're just gonna rinse the saltfish, and we're gonna place it in the water to boil just for like 5-10 minutes with some of the okra. I'm gonna boil some of the okra all just as like this while I will be cutting on some. So you just want to get the saltfish in the water with the okra just like this and let it boil, as I told you, for 5-10 minutes. So now you're going to move the saltfish and the okra, and look, our okra is boiled. You see the fork from one side to the other, very soft and tender. So you just want to remove the saltfish and the okra from the pot. After you remove the saltfish from the pot of boiling water, you're just going to place it under some cold water. The onion, we're going to slice our onion, but we all know how to slice onion already. So we're just going to cut it round. So just like that. We're just going to slice the tomato just like that. So this is half a pound of saltfish, and the okra I'm using is 1 pound. And you got to remove the scale from the saltfish. You see all of this thing on the outside? Remove it. These are the scale. We know fish have scale. So beautiful people, you're watching this video today. and you have not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, share this video, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. Just remove all the scale off. And then you're going to break the saltfish in pieces how you want it. Whether you want to do it fine or you want to do it huge. And let it remain in the water so the salt can soak out. We don't want it. And you can always taste it to know if it's too salty or if you need to catch more, show off this water and put some more fresh water on. But this is perfect. Let the skillet out on the fire, and then you're gonna pour the oil in. I don't want to use all this oil. I think this is enough for me. I don't like too much oil in the food. And you're gonna just put the onion in and the okra. And you stir it. You're gonna let the onion become translucent and add that flavor and that aroma to the oil and the okra. You can also place a cover over because we just need the okra to become a little tender with the onion. And so you can cover it for like 1 minute or 2. And now we're just gonna place the tomato in. You're gonna pour the all-purpose and the black pepper in. Followed by the saltfish. And I'm putting in the old okra that wasn't cut up. You just wanna stir it. Because remember, this okra already cooked, so that's the reason why you put it in the last. You save the best for last. You just want to cover. I think I want to go in with a little chili pepper. Because I don't have those Scotch bonnet pepper. And I just need this thing to be a little spicy. So you're just gonna cover this just for 1 or 2 minutes. Let the steam penetrate. Just cover 1 for 2 minutes. Look at this, beautiful people. It's time to turn the stove off. Our okra and saltfish is now ready. So there we go, guys. Our okra and saltfish is now ready for heating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? Please give it a try. You will enjoy it. And on the side, there is some yellow yam. I already did a video how to peel and cook the yellow yam. And you can have the saltfish and okra with green banana, fried dumpling, boiled breadfruit, roast breadfruit. I already done a video on those stuff, how to prepare them. And this is our okra. You want to dive in. Look at the okra, guys. Tastes so nice. Look at this. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching. I love you all. Please be safe. And I see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.